Hi, this is Debbie with Zingtree. If you're handling inbound or outbound sales calls in Salesforce, our Zingtree integration for Salesforce will provide your team with a custom conversation guide that is so smart it can even automatically populate the case record for you. You'll use Zingtree to author your sales scripts and then easily embed them in Salesforce cases. Let's have a look at an example. So here we are in Salesforce. And on the right-hand side, you'll see a Zingtree decision tree. In this case, it is an inbound sales script. And it has some data entry fields in the first node of the decision tree, and then a couple of buttons that take us to the next step. There are several steps in this tree, but we'll just walk through a couple of them so that you get the idea. And over here in the case record, you'll notice first name, last name. We're collecting email address, phone number, even some other information about a plan term and some medical health assessment information. So let's just fill in a few of these fields so you get the idea. So let's just give it some sample data to work with here. Let's put in a phone number and even a date of birth. And when we click the next button here, you'll notice that the information that we've filled in over here on the right-hand side populates the record on the left. So let's just say more than 10 years. And here we go. You'll notice that we have the name, date of birth, email address, phone number, even the more than 10 years that we selected. And we will go ahead and walk through a couple more fields here. And you notice that we have some back and restart buttons. You can restart from the beginning or just go back one step. Also, you have a history up here in the Zingtree app where the person using the tree can go back and go to any one step and change some information if they need to. And down here, just a couple little things to point out is we have a agent feedback button. This is actually pretty popular. It's really cool. So it allows your agents or your sales team or any internal team members to send feedback back to the authors of the decision tree. So say they notice something that is misspelled or could be said better, or even they just have a question or a great idea. They can submit their feedback and the authors of the tree will receive that in their email. They'll also receive it in the Zingtree authoring tools. Another feature we have here is a session notes. So as in this case, if we're going through an inbound sales call and questions come up or there's some notes that we want to make sure that we take down, you can submit some notes. Also, those notes can also talk to a field in Salesforce if you like. So that is the Zingtree Agent Scripting App for Salesforce. Thanks for watching.